He hides under the chair. Well, you have to take that part out. Look at Loki. Loki, what are you gonna do? Wallow? Ugh.
Luring, man.
You're not fast going like him yet. He's a fast little guy. Get him, Lo. Get that boy. Get him, Gohan. Ooh, Gohan's hair's sticking up.
Yeah.
Get him, Gohan.
Kill that boy.
Ooh. He just headbutted you. What happened? What did he do to you? No, no, no. Oh, what's that? Look, did you catch any bees yet? What are you three doing? Thor, what are you chasing? Weirdo. Thor. Red, what are you doing? Thor's being goofy. Get him, Gohan. Get that toy. You get... No rocks. Hey, Gohan, no. No rocks, baby. They're not good for you. No, come on, here. Come on. Go get the toy. Get Groody. Groody. Get Groot. Get him. Get Groody. Get him, Groody. Get him, Groot. Why are you eating his tongue? Come here, Gohan. Come here, Gohan. Come here, boobies. He don't want you licking his tongue. Ew. Come here, Tahari. Tahari, come. Gohan. Gohan. Come here. Gohan. Here, Thor. Hey, Tahari.